I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and I'm here with another video to bring you 10 targeting hacks to stalk your customers like the paparazzi in under 5 minutes, which is less time than it takes for bubblegum to lose its flavor. Most people nowadays spend so much time on their phones, it's hard to hold someone's attention. People scroll through Facebook looking for something interesting to catch their eyes. This is your permission to attack. These people are randomly scrolling through Facebook, begging for something to jump out at them. That's where you come into play. With the right tools and knowledge, check out our other videos, there are people all over Facebook that are sitting ducks waiting for you to come along and pique their interest. Duck, duck, goose! Did you know over 50 million businesses use Facebook business pages and only 4% are advertising? That's a ridiculous number. Here's an even crazier number. Astronomically, 100 million hours of video content are watched on Facebook daily. Daily! Another reason we swear by video campaigns. Think about it. Don't you want to be a part of that 4% that's taking advantage of the largest social media platform in the world? Here are 10 examples of Facebook targeting hacks. Demographic. This is your typical category that targets age, gender, and mile radius. They know where you live. Interests. What are your customers interested in? Look for keywords that are field related, like genres for music. Groups. Bello. Nabbit, nabbit. Like Minions for toys. Books. Like Dental Anatomy by Vincent Perez for orthodontists. Occupation. Where do they work? Maybe a truck driver in need of a bi-yearly DOT medical exam for their CDL for chiropractors. Education. Maybe you're looking for customers to have a higher education, like a bachelor's or master's degree. Home ownership. You can target customers based on home ownership for real estate agents. Financial. Targeting income ranges can be important for financial advisors. Parents. Parents with children of specific ages, even expecting mothers for child care services. Have you seen my ear? TV. Targeting specific TV shows helps narrow down people's interests, like Hell's Kitchen or Chopped for restaurants and food lovers. Find Rachel Ray. Now I bet you're wondering, how, Robert? How can I advertise on Facebook? I'll just post on my business page. People will see it. Facebook shows only about 3% of your posts to your likes and followers. Remember, Facebook is free. They have to make their money somewhere. Advertising. Makes sense. Or maybe you think, boosting. You must swim in a pool of 20s or blow your nose with hundreds. Waste of money. In fact, go ahead and hit that boost button. Facebook will gladly accept your money. Boosting was created for the busy business owner to set a few quick parameters and hit that boost button. It might yield some results, but it's not a cost-effective advertising strategy for your business. So seriously, stop it. Have you ever heard of Business Manager? Ads Manager? These are effective tools that advertising companies like ourselves, Your Marketing Dude, use to create, manage, and produce profitable results on Facebook. We have the ability to not only narrow targeting down to an incredibly specific audience, but track and optimize results. We increase profit margins, reduce advertising costs, and make boosting as useful as a poopy flavored lollipop. So go ahead and keep boosting, you dum-dum. Oh, dum-dums. Oh, this tastes like crap. These are 10 targeting hacks that merely scratch the surface of possibility. With paid advertising, we can narrow down the spotlight onto the stars of the show. Set your budget for advertisements and spend that valuable money in a valuable place for a change. Quit flushing your money down the toilet. Yeah, that means you. What are you waiting for? Start advertising on Facebook already. Don't know how? I know a dude. If you have any questions about social media advertising, feel free to send us a message on Facebook or give us a call at 717-PIC-YMD, or we'll stalk you like Backstreet Boy fans. I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude. Thanks for watching. This really does taste like crap.